My name is Krzysztof Burdzy. You can call me Chris. I work at the University of Washington, Seattle, United States. But since you asked me where I am from Poland. Why did they invite me? Okay, so let me try to guess. One of the topics of my research is Brownian motion and all kinds of modifications of Brownian motion, including reflection. These modifications, well, Brownian motions and modifications are inspired both by science. This is how Brownian motion started, with observing flower pollen in water. But then it turned out that it's a great model for all kinds of phenomena. And this week's workshop is devoted to reflected diffusions. They arise very naturally in queuing networks, in the theory or research on queuing networks. So this is why I'm at this workshop, and this is why I'm at this program. As for Rothschild fellowship, I plan to give a public lecture on an unrelated topic, namely Archimedes' principle. Well, this goes back to antiquity. And it's a very interesting case in which law of nature or law of science has been known for over 2,000 years, but there's practically no mathematical literature on this physical phenomenon. And the reason is that from the mathematical point of view, Archimedes' principle is trivial, unless you make it non-trivial. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to derive Archimedes' principle from Newtonian mechanics. So this is actually an active and significant field of mathematical physics, deriving properties of fluids from basic principles of physics, like Newtonian physics. Although I have to say that I'm a visitor in this field, I'm not working on the mainstream problems, but I feel that my research is justified by those who do most of the work and the best work. I believe this is my third extended stay at the Newton Institute, and I love this place. The building is modern and is perfectly designed. I think that the success of programs and meetings here stems to large part from simply the physical environment that we have here. There are natural places to congregate, and you just bump into your colleagues and talk, and we have those offices. Well, mathematicians can work probably in any circumstances, in any environment, but having such a great place to work helps a lot, and actually it gives a lot of pleasure. So it's not only about efficiency, but I think that the two things are correlated: pleasure and efficiency in doing your research. So anyhow, I'm very happy to be here.